Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about kinds of the sentence. Students, we have already studied about assertive sentence and imperative sentence. And today we shall study about interrogative sentence. Interrogative, INTERROGATIVE, interrogative sentence. Interrogative means प्रश्न वाचक प्रश्नवाचक वाक्य प्रश्नवाचक वाक्य. First of all, what is an interrogative sentence? Students, we shall know define of interrogative sentence. Definition means परिभाषा. The sentence which asks a question is called interrogative sentence. The sentence वह वाक्य which जो ask a question is called interrogative sentence. वह वाक्य जो प्रश्न पूछता है उसे प्रश्नवाचक वाक्य कहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, do you want to play? क्या तुम खेलना चाहते हो? Do you want to play? क्या तुम खेलना चाहते हो? सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, what are you doing now? What are you doing now? तुम अब क्या कर रहे हो? Have you ever gone to Delhi? Have you ever gone to Delhi? क्या आप कभी दिल्ली गए हैं? Are we telling a lie? Are we telling a lie? क्या हम लोग झूठ बोल रहे हैं? Does she play chess? Does she play chess? क्या वह शतरंज खेलती है? What are they eating? What are they eating? वे लोग क्या खा रहे हैं? Students, these all sentences are interrogative sentence because every sentence asks question. Do you want to play? क्या आप खेलना चाहते हैं? This sentence asks question. So this is an interrogative sentence. What are you doing now? अब आप क्या कर रहे हैं? This question also ask question. This sentence also ask question. So this is also an interrogative sentence. Have you ever gone to Delhi? क्या आप कभी दिल्ली गए हैं? This question also ask. This sentence also ask question. So this is also an interrogative sentence. Are we telling a lie? क्या हम लोग झूठ बोल रहे हैं? This sentence also ask question. So this is also an interrogative sentence. Does she play chess? क्या वह शतरंज खेलती है? This sentence also ask question. So this is an interrogative sentence. What are they eating? वे लोग क्या खा रहे हैं? This sentence also ask question. So this is an interrogative sentence. Students, interrogative sentence always begin with capital letter. Also begin with capital letter and ends with a question mark. All these sentences have begun with capital letter and ended with a question mark. Students, now we shall know more about interrogative sentence. Students, there are two types of interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentences. There are two types of interrogative sentences. प्रश्नवाचक वाक्य दो प्रकार की होती है. One, first, the interrogative sentence. The interrogative sentence which begins with begins with helping verb, which begins with helping verb, helping verb. Example, example, example. As you know that helping verbs are do, does, did, is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, and like this some others. Students, an interrogative sentence which begins with helping verbs are. Example, do you like me? Do you like me? क्या आप मुझे पसंद करते हैं? This sentence begins with helping verb do. Begins with helping verb do. Helping verb do. Second example, are we playing cricket? Are we playing cricket? क्या हम लोग क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं? This sentence begins with are. Third, did she go to a school? Did she go to a school? This sentence begins with did. Fourth example, will you sing a song? Will you sing a song? क्या आप एक गाना गाएंगे? This sentence begins with will. Fifth example, were you writing an application? Were you writing an application? क्या आप एक आवेदन पत्र लिख रहे थे? This sentence begins with verb. Students, in this way, these are interrogative sentences which begin with helping verb. In this sentence, do is a helping verb, are is a helping verb, will is a helping verb, and in this sentence were is a helping verb. Students, in this way, interrogative sentence begins with helping verb. And second an interrogative sentence which begins with question word. Second type of interrogative sentence, the interrogative गेटिव सेंटेंस which begins with a question word. Begins with a question word. Example. What is your name? What is your name? आपका क्या नाम है? This sentence begins with question word what. Second example. Why do you make a noise? आप हल्ला क्यों करते हैं? This sentence begins with the question word why. Third example. Where do you come from? Where do you come from? आप कहां से आते हैं? This sentence begins with question word where. Fourth example. How are you? आप कैसे हैं? This sentence begins with the question word how. Example. Fifth. When do you get up in the morning? आप सुबह में कब जगते हैं या उठते हैं? This sentence begins with the question word when. Students, in this way, these all sentences begin with a question word. In the first example, what is a question word. In the second example, why is a question word. In the third example, where is a question word. Fourth, how is the question word. And in the example fifth, when is also a question word. Students, in this way we saw that interrogative sentences are two types. First, which begins with helping verb, and second type of interrogative sentence which begins with question word. Students, how shall we change an assertive sentence into interrogative sentence? हाउ shall we change an assertive sentence into intro interrogative सेंटेंस कैसे बदलेंगे हम लोग असर्टिव सेंटेंस को इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस में कैसे बदलेंगे स्टूडेंट्स assertive sentences are sentence of tense or affirmative sentences. I am a student. I am a student. This is an assertive sentence, and we shall assertive sentence, and now we shall change this sentence into interrogative. कैसे चेंज करें? To change assertive sentence into interrogative, there is a structure. A structure means sanrachna that helps us to change an assertive sentence into interrogative sentence. A structure ये भी helping verb plus subject plus verb plus other words plus question mark. Helping verb, first of all, helping verb. In this sentence, I am a student. What is helping verb? Am. So we shall write the word am first. Am, after it subject. What is subject in this sentence? Which is subject in this sentence? I. Now we shall write I. Am I? And then if there is a verb in the sentence, then write verb. If not, then write other words. Am I a student? A student, and use question mark at last. Am I a student? I am a student. It means मैं एक छात्र हूँ. And after changing into interrogative sentence, the sentence expresses the meaning. Am I a student? क्या मैं एक छात्र हूँ. So according to this structure, we shall change an assertive sentence into interrogative sentence. We shall see some other examples. We are going to Patna. We are going to पटना, हम लोग पटना जा रहे हैं। दिस इज एन assertive sentence and we shall change this sentence into interrogative sentence according to this structure. How shall we change? Helping verb. First of all, helping verb. Helping verb interrogative. Interrogative. Which is helping verb? Are. So we shall write first are. And now then subject. Subject. Which is subject in this sentence? We. We shall write we. Are we? And then verb. Which is verb in this sentence? Going. So we shall write going. And then other words. Which is other words? To Patna. So we shall write to Patna. And use a question mark at last. We are going to Patna. हम लोग पटना जा रहे हैं. And according to interrogative sentence, are we going to Patna? क्या हम लोग पटना जा रहे हैं? In this way, we shall change an assertive sentence into interrogative sentence. Friends, now we shall study about exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory. exclamatory. Exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence means विस्मयादि बोधक वाक्य. विस्मयादि बोधक वाक्य. What is an exclamatory sentence? We shall know definition of exclamatory sentence. Definition. The sentence which expresses a strong or sudden feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Strong means मजबूत. Sudden means अचानक. The sentence वह वाक्य which expresses means व्यक्त करना. The sentence which expresses a strong or sudden feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. वह वाक्य जो एक मजबूत और अचानक मन में आई हुई भावनाओं को व्यक्त करता है, उसे विस्मयादि बोधक वाक्य कहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल. How beautiful beautiful this girl is. Example 2. What a beautiful place this is. Example 3. How old this man is. Example 4. How excited exciting exciting how exciting the match was. Students, these all sentences are fine example of exclamatory sentence because it expresses feelings. How beautiful this girl is. कितनी सुंदर है यह लड़की. It expresses also surprise. What a beautiful place this is. कितना सुंदर यह स्थान है. How old this man is. कितना बुढ़ा यह आदमी है. How exciting the match was. मैच कितना उत्तेजित करने वाला था, रोमांचक था. These all sentences expresses feelings or surprise. An exclamatory sentence begins with capital letter and the word how and what, and this sentence ends with an exclamatory mark, an exclamation mark. So students, we can easily recognize an exclamatory sentence looking it's starting with capital letter and ends with an exclamation mark. Students, now I shall hope that you all must have understood about interrogative sentence and exclamatory sentence. Thank you.